As we step into the world of efficient meeting management, let's explore how Tactiq can transform your meeting transcripts into valuable insights. So Tactiq isn't just a transcription tool. It's your meeting assistant ensuring that you capture every important detail. Simply go to the Chrome Web Store and find Tactiq, then press Get and add this to your browser. Pin the tool inside of your browser and then either sign in or sign up, depending on if you have an account. Then from there, click which meetings apps you use. For me, I'm using Google Meet, and press continue and allow access for Tactiq to work. And I can immediately go into a meeting inside of Google Meet, and you'll see how the transcription starts immediately upon me joining this meeting. Every word coming out of my mouth is going to be transcribed by Tactiq, making it absolutely amazing, effective, and in real time. Everything I say is going to be captured right here. Then upon closing the meeting, a transcription will pop up in my Tactiq account, and I can always go back and take a look at any of my old meetings. And very quickly get a short summary of my meeting, as well as a bunch of these other quick prompts. And you can see right here, this is a meeting where we discussed various team updates and tasks. And as someone in the meeting, I do remember this is exactly what it was about. There are also some really great quick prompts in here for things like project managers. So for example, if we did a project management status update one, it would build a response based on a quick prompt that would showcase some status updates from what we discussed in this meeting. For example, accomplishments, what's next, blockers, timeline, action items and next steps, and questions on what's open to the next discussion. You'll also see that if I click on one of these timestamps, it'll go right to that in the transcription. Search through the transcript right here, and you'll see that we have another great feature that only scratches the surface of how this amazing product works. So make sure to install Tactiq for free to get started transcribing your meetings today.